Go.
Put your
Are you
flour.
filming?
I actually wanted to learn how to make her
You
sopa.
put flour. Okay, in this flour, you have to put sugar and salt
Sugar and salt.
and baking powder.
Baking powder.
Yes, baking powder. That's what makes it fluffy.
Okay.
You knead it with no oil because you're gonna fry it with oil.
So you don't use oil in the beginning phase
And
of
now
making it.
and none of this dough has oil.
Okay.
And that's the one that I put oil for is for the tortilla.
Okay. So let me see. So now you're gonna fold it,
I'm gonna roll them
roll it,
and then I cut them.
right? I wanted to start getting your stuff down so I can.
And they take smashed beans, ground beef, lettuce, tomatoes, and avocado. And you just make a pico for it or whatever you want, and that's it.
Okay. So then you're making like a wheel.
That's called a testal.
A what?
A testal.
Estal?
Testal.
Estal.
Remember testales?
I've never heard that. You're making it up now.
This is called testal. Does it call it testal or not? Testal. Testal.
How do you spell that?
Testal.
T-E-S?
Yeah, but I put some stuff in
Testal. That's what we call it.
All right.
And this is going to be
Now,
Odessa.
who taught you how to do this, Honey Concha?
My neighbor, a lady that had 15 kids, her name was
Oh,
Molly.
that's the one we're talking about. Okay.
Yeah, she must have been busy in life.
She had to make like tons of them for her kids. This is Odessa. And I need your little pieces.
Now, did you make this dough? Did you buy this dough? Or you prepared this dough earlier?
No, I make it.
Oh, you're
Okay.
not gonna put the sopapillas in here, or you want me to put
No,
that?
I said I was going to do it in here.
No, so these are the sopapillas, right?
Yes.
Okay.
To make tortillas, it's a little different. This is my mother. So this one, how do you think how old it
me
is,
see.
Stella?
Oh, I say about maybe 70 years old.
What?
This is my mom's.
That's some good quality.
It had the ends, and she's.
Oh, never mind. It's not good
I
quality.
took him off
It's
because I don't
missing
use
two
them.
pieces.
It's sentimental. Okay, so now you're rolling it out flat, making it like a tortilla pretty much.
Yeah, that's gonna be a sopapilla?
No, just I cut. You have to cut it.
Oh, so you make your shapes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Odessa, come check this out. This is crazy.
This is hers.
Oh, okay, so she's
That's for Odessa.
Oh,
Roll
okay.
out.
Odessa, come over here.
Tell her to wash her little hands.
Oh, no, here, copy Honey Concha.
So you're.
Are you making tortillas?
no, she's teaching how to make
But
sopa.
bring me a little
Yeah.
chair for her to stand on that she's not gonna fall
Okay,
on.
you get a stool.
It looks like
This is yours. You gotta roll it out.
in the
Okay?
closet. It looks like a tortilla.
It is, but it's not.
Ay, ay, ay.
Different recipe. On the right floor.
Hita, can I get the pinzas?
Yeah, I'm gonna go again.
The pinzas are the ones that you clip it and put it in there, right?
Yeah. Well, I could put it in by myself. I want something that has no sharp, nothing, no sharp end.
Okay.
Because I have to put them in.
Now, call.
Doesn't matter
Very
if
good
they
lesson
fully
today.
soft. I'm gonna
Yep,
put
start
this
rolling
on
it just like Honey
okay?
Concha.
It's gonna take a bit.
Yep. You're doing good.
Why don't we have it?
Okay, that's Honey Concha has a very sharp knife, okay? Just so you
No,
know.
you can tell, huh? No, I don't use sharp knives.
Oh, this is butter knife. Never mind.
Yes, that's for auntie.
Okay, so now you cut it into fours,
Yeah.
and then you're gonna get one of
Keep
the.
going.
You fry it.
Yeah, let me see it.
So from there, you got a shape.
It's okay if you get dirty.
Yes. And then Cindy we can start making them. I just need to reheat up. This need to turn off.
Yeah.
Okay.
So he takes the beans and that, and then cheese, lots of cheese on the top.
Okay. Okay.
So now you're trying to make it into a triangle, or what?
Yeah.
I wanna see
I'm
what's hot.
pushing out the lumps.
It's not hot.
Okay, you try that.
So it kinda looks like,
really hard. All your might.
Like a triangle.
Much faster.
You want it to stretch out. You want it to stretch out.
Okay.
You're doing good, Dessa. Keep it up.
Okay, I need
You can go back. You can go the other ways too. You're going up and down. You go left
But
and
I have to
right.
have a glass one. It's not hot yet.
Now, let's lift it.
So that's your general shape.
So you can also roll it.
Pretty much, you just cut it like that, see?
So that's how the triangle forms. Then,
Yeah,
so
and depending on how big I make it, I'm gonna make them bigger because I make some little that they go with honey, and I forgot the honey.
Oh, they probably have one.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, if we get more later,
Yeah.
yeah. Nicer one. That's not bad.
Yeah.
That's good.
Can I? Perfect. Can I?
You're doing good. Keep it up. Ask that.
Oh, wash your
ask
hands.
Concha.
More bigger.
More bigger.
Tell me you're from
Más
Mexico.
grande.
Didn't tell her some words in Spanish.
In más grande, sweetheart.
We learned testado or something. She was saying.
Tostada.
Tostada.
No, the wheel.
Tostal.
Tesla or
You don't
something.
remember that?
Tesla.
No, it's not a Tesla. I can't stand buses.
What was the word? What was the
Testal.
Testal.
It's not
Testal.
Testal. when you make the tostada,
Did you know that, Mom?
no, yeah.
I thought she was making it up.
No, that's a tostada. Yes, when you just kind of pull it with your hand so you can make the tortilla or whatever you
Yeah,
make.
let
This is
me
called
get in there a little bit.
tostada.
I'll
Are
tag
you
me
making
in.
it up?
That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying.
But you,
That's
when I
yummy,
was
huh?
doing it, you'd always call it something else.
No, tostada.
What else would you call it?
Do you know
Go
that?
for it.
You called it something
Steven
else.
said he didn't even know.
It's called a tostada. Okay,
How is it?
don't be asking me then if you guys don't want to know.
So I try and
Okay, so now we're looking at it. It's bubbling.
Yeah, but it's not hot yet.
Okay.
It has to be real hot, so I don't want anybody
I'll keep
here.
on this. Here,
Okay,
let's get
that
next to
means
cousin
nobody
Sergio.
from here.
Stand next to cousin Sergio, so you can see you can see what's happening over there.
Be careful
No,
because this is hot.
I don't want her to be here. Sorry, Mijito, you're not allowed here.
Or you can carry her.
This
just-
because this will
You don't
will
want her to
burn you.
get that sauce
It
on.
will burn you so
Oh, okay,
hard.
okay.
So you're not allowed here. I don't let anybody here.
Here, just get on my shoulder.
And she
T-pose.
sits in there.
3, 2.
This is
You
what
can have the first one, Hita, though. But this is not ready yet. It's still not hot.
I don't get the first one this time.
So when they're hot, they
You
cook
see?
Yeah,
relatively
I
fast,
mean, you
right?
just put it in and it bubbles up
So
immediately.
she put. How did you make it hollow? Did you like?
I do. No, because
That's what the oil does.
It does it on its own?
it does it on its own because it has no. See, this is kind of what people make. What are they called? Navajo tacos, but they use mutton. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And I don't use oil or nothing, so it automatically sponges up because it's touching the oil.
So
And
that's
it's-
how it's bubbling and making the little air
Yes,
bubble in the
but this
middle.
is not ready yet because it's not
Because
hot.
it wasn't hot.
Oh, I got
This is better, you know, bigger.
And that's just hot oil, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Nothing else.
Jacoby, what are you doing? What are you making?
So usually when
You
it's
okay?
red hot, it'll cook in like a minute or two.
Oh yeah,
You
I
okay
can.
with that?
That's when I can go really fast. Okay, but not right now because it's not hot.
Okay, yeah, I'll put you down back to this over.
Carmen, tackle this one. Carmen, tackle this one. Don't cut it in that.
I won't, sister. I won't.
No, Concha, here's that. The cutting. Put it here, cut it there.
I won't.
The knives are right there, mijito. Okay, the beans
I
are
love
okay.
sharp knife.
No, don't. Oh, the beans are ready, Concha, mira.
I know, but this
Les
is
pongo
this
queso
came
o
out like
así.
a cracker because it didn't.
Yeah,
wasn't hot yet?
Toby, you want to
It
cut
wasn't
it.
hot.
You help me cut it.
Oh, this reason. Oh, Concha, this one. Do you want
we should make one
más?
slice.
Concha, this one's
And
más
then we're gonna have
or
lots of
This is
tortillas,
good.
so
Les
there's
pongo
plenty of
queso
room
o
for
no?
everybody.
I'm like, you should
Yeah,
use the
put
butter.
cheese on it if you want. I have my cheese right here too.
Okay. Where's the bag of cheese? Oh,
Right here.
oh,
So try not
mijito.
me.
Ay, mijito, sorry.
So these settle, this is
So-
already getting hotter, and it just bubbles up by itself, but it's still not as hot as I want it. That's why I don't let any. Stella, do you want to put your air so I don't sleep on your house?
Right here. The air conditioner's on.
No, your air to go up.
The exhaust fan.
Vent. Right there.
Vente.
Vente.
They don't believe that it's called a testada.
You just cut it into fours.
Hey, they don't believe that it's a testada.
Do you want
Oh,
to cut it
I believe you.
You just cut it.
Hey, I take you guys for your word.
That's a word that they use. Like poor, I mean, called today.
Why's your
And
what?
she said,
Is that yours?
she said that the baby was being, what was the word she used?
What?
No idea.
baby?
We'll get it back.
One of our friends' babies.
Back to your bag.
Sope.
Sope.
It's topes, not sope.
Sopes, yeah. They make them out of-
Topes.
Yeah, I know what they're.
Because the baby was giving her topes,
Oh, topes.
not sopes. And Veronica didn't know what it was. And I mean, we had to figure out what she was trying to say. But topes.
That's fine.
You put smashed cheese with your beans too?
You made it go hard.
Oh, yeah.
You did- I
They're
thought
the
it was
best.
just my mom did. I
they're
love
the
it like
best.
that. Yeah. I thought it was just like us that did that.
Little hot. Hey, they're the
What
best.
can I taste?
Yes,
Special
sure
tortilla?
can.
And
Absolutely.
then you remember after
Oh.
Not yet. I'm like, oh, guys, I went to go get the jar.
I haven't had a
How is
fresh.
it?
I can't do it if it's really hot.
So this is like kind of a drag that it wasn't super hard. You know? 'Cause it's taking way too long.
This is a fresh.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's see how this
I can't wait
one.
to try
So
this.
this one's on a red
Oh,
hot.
yeah. I need to
Let's
move
see.
it.
See, and you just kind of press down a little bit. There we go. It has to be hot, otherwise you can't do it. And you have to put salt and sugar so that the baking powder can react
So you put salt and sugar in the
in the dough.
dough. Okay.
But it has no oil. That's the only thing that it.
Oh, that-
When I put a little bit of oil when I make tortillas.
It has no eggs in it, so you can just
Oh, I found it.
I actually just watched a video that you were teaching me a couple years ago on how you do your beans. I was watching that. I was thinking about that.
Stella makes good beans. You have to ask her.
Oh, I want to learn her green chili enchiladas.
She makes, yeah.
that's
No,
good.
as a matter of fact, I have her some containers
I
of
can tell
stuff.
her
I
this
should have
is
brought it.
just that. If I was going to see some work,
Yeah.
one of this had one missing, I would definitely tell her.
You're good.
Oh,
sweetheart.
pressure.
You're good. I'm gonna cook it for you right now.
Okay.
Okay.
I think this one's good to
Hey,
go.
wash your hands and give her another, make her
Okay.
another discount.
I mean, I'll let her try doing the whole process.
What do you need?
Try to let
That's
her
pretty
do
much
the
it.
whole-
That's it. It's not